there, this is your agent Martin. So I love this community and it's growing, it's a good thing. So for all of my clients that I haven't really seen for a long time, well, I figured that this would be on stream that I can actually get in touch with you guys just to try to connect with you. And the other thing is when it comes to this sort of thing, so this will be our first video of it jumping into how insurance works, what are the effects, and what can you really do in terms of your insurance. And most of the time we also want to dive into deep conversations when it comes to insurance. So I do get a lot of misconceptions around when you go around people just asking or just checking to share information about insurance. So people are also hesitant when it comes to signing up for insurance just because normally they're actually given the wrong perception of what insurance is, especially when it comes to investment. So for me, I will tell you that this is actually the only way for me to come out here and everything possible in my capacity just to at least give that education to people when it comes to investments. Because yes, 7 years in this thing of the financial industry, and at first when I came into insurance I thought that maybe it's another way of for me to also make a buck, but I tend to realize now that this is much more deeper than just me personally making money for myself, because there's a lot of misinformation that's going on. So I'll try by my own power to put everything into one concept, because we can really have an economy that is operating when the thing that actually, or to say when the grease in the entire system is actually not enough. So, and plus my main concern is only the misinformation. People don't know what to invest in, plus you find a lot of them actually just investing in things that don't even make sense. For example, I once upon a time met a client. The client says, I actually have a funeral plan at Metropolitan, a funeral plan at Old Mutual, a funeral plan at Sanlam. To me, when it comes to talking about your dollar that you actually sacrifice every day to look for an insurance policy, we are saying what can you actually do for yourself in order for you to actually come to a better stage, in order for you to also be like the other persons where you also have your own buying power, right? But in this case, for such a person, how do you actually let them know that the products are not the ones that are actually going to ruin you but yourself, because you do not even know what you're actually investing in, instead of actually just utilizing your cash, or to say your liquidity, and putting it into different kinds of investments. For example, one that I would actually recommend is that at least anybody or everybody has to at least have a basic one, which is a funeral plan for the entire family. You're saying that you want for people to actually come and take this money when you are dead from all my policies. When if I have my funeral plan at Old Mutual, then I can actually just go and take another plan, which is, say for instance, a savings plan at Sanlam, and then I know that I have my retirement at Metropolitan. So you as a person also has to always have that type of thing, whereas you know that you are able to diversify investments. We are talking about paper assets. We call it paper assets because this is value that is on the paper. You only get that policy document that you get, that is your paper asset, because it represents what you're actually saving at that company using that portfolio that you've created for yourself there. So now this video is basically a preview of what I will be doing and how I'm actually going to be engaging with my community. I love that the community actually just grew so much within a short period of time. please do share this video with a friend. Share it with a friend, share with a family member that's is interested in wanting to actually be part of the community. So catch you on the first episode of what we'll actually be discussing.